Hey guys, Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's video I've got Zander. You've seen Zander before, and Zander is known for his good hair, much like myself. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how to style a hairstyle like this. A lot of people want this type of hairstyle, kind of like a flatter, kind of more natural look. Now I'm going to show you how to transform this into something a little more voluminous using my new product, Clutch. So a lot of you guys want to know about Clutch. It's been a very, very popular seller, and I think it's a really good kind of product for him because it's going to give great hold, great texture, and it's pretty pliable too. So I'm going to mix up into my hands and restyle Zander's hair. All right, so basically I'm going to take a scoop of Clutch and I'm going to work it through. You probably need a little amount like this, nothing too crazy because it does work through the hands pretty well. So as you can see, I'm just going to start to really emulsify it and work it through my hands. So where you can really pretty much see nothing left, just like that. That means you know it's actually in your hands. So with his hair, what I want to do is I actually want to start working it in right from the very, very front. And I'm already feeling that grip. I'm already feeling that texture. And he's got like the perfect hair for something like this because he's got a lot of hair, but it's a fine texture. And fine texture usually takes the product really, really well. And that's why I think it's a great product for Zander. So as you can see, I'm just kind of reshaping it, adding a little texture in there, a little bit of volume. And you can go with kind of like a little bit of a side part if you want, just to create a more of a natural look. But I just want to kind of show you guys how you can easily reshape something that's more of a kind of flatter style into something that's got a lot more volume to it. All right, so now into Zander's next look, which is going to be a little more of a formal look. So in the last one you saw I got a lot of texture, a lot of volume through here, but now I want to create something that's a lot more sleek, and that's why I'm using Ice. Now Ice is basically my pomade, which is a very, very masculine kind of warm fragrance. It's got a really cool look to it here, as you can see. And I'm going to take a scoop out and apply it to Zander's hair, and you're going to immediately see how it absorbs really well into his hair. And then we're going to comb it back and give it a really nice sleek finish. All right, so it scoops out really easily, and I'm just going to work it through my hands. And I think for a pomade like this, works best on dry hair, so it can easily absorb into the hair and you can see kind of immediate results. So I'm just going to work this through Zander's hair, and on the sides I like to really use the palm of my hands to really coat the outer layer of the hair, because that's what I want to really have a sleek type of finish. And then once it's applied to the hair, I'll start to really work it in with my fingers. So I'm kind of like laying it on with my palm mixed with using my fingers to kind of sculpt it and shape it. And then I'm going to go in, this is the whole magic part of this whole thing, is once I feel like it's really absorbed into his hair, then I'm going to take my comb and start to work this in and create that really kind of formal, sleek look. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments down below if you liked these different variations of styles, and I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.